which we already have here. And you'll notice this kettle also matches these thermoses. I have my review companion here, Curry. So what we're going to be checking out today is the Carter Fellow mug, which comes in a number of different sizes. We have pink, yellow, blue, and it comes in a 12-ounce or 16-ounce offering. Something unique about this is it has a leak-proof lid as well as a specially designed spout, easier to drink from. Now, this is designed for coffee, but today we're going to be testing it with loose leaf tea. It also has a few things inside here, which says coffee for here and there. Maybe we'll change that for tea for here and there. Some information, care instructions, as well as some of the unique ways to evaluate the coffee, or we could apply these to tea as well. Aroma, acidity, body, flavor, and finish. What do you think about that, Curry? Curry has already been bored and now almost asleep. Can you read that? Doesn't care too much. That's okay. So we'll be testing this for tea. So let's go ahead and go outside and see. So I've been using this for the last few days, hiking, traveling around with it. And for the question, is it leak proof? Well, let's just say I've been a little bit more haphazard than normal to kind of push it to see. And I had no problems at all. It has not leaked. I've been throwing it in my backpack, in my car, traveling with it, and it has a really nice secure lid. Now this is a lot more fat and thick than I expected, so you do want to make sure that indeed it does fit in your cup car holder. Luckily for me it does, but it probably doesn't. There has been issues online saying it doesn't fit in all the car cup holders. I do like this really nice lip that they designed. It's a lot more comfortable to drink from, and this wide mouth makes for all of those aromatic components of the tea to really come out. This will keep your beverages hot for 12 hours and keep them cold for 24 hours. And there is this True Taste Coat ceramic, which really enhances the flavor of the tea. Sometimes with these thermoses or mugs, this stainless steel, if you keep hot beverages in a thermos in a closed lid for too long, you'll get some undesirable taste profiles. But with this ceramic coating, it avoids from all of that, which is really nice. And I also didn't pick up any strange aromas from the lid or plastic, which is a huge plus. So overall, I've been really enjoying this canister, and the texture makes it a little bit easier to grip and hold. Let's go ahead and go over to my final concluding thoughts. There is one more thing I do need to mention. On the day of filming this review, after I got all my Carter mugs, and I'm excited about them, I got an email from Fellow that they just released their Move mug, which is slimmer and taller, which solves a lot of the problems if these were too fat and they did not fit in your car's cup holder, etc. So if that was a concern, now it no longer is a concern, though it only comes in white, gray, or black, where these are coming in the pink, blue, and yellow. So as a reflection on this, I do like the durability of this. I think it has a really great, cute color selection. Even my wife was saying, how can you not buy this? It's just so cute. So that's why we ended up with maybe far too many. And also, Curry, how you doing? Since he hasn't said anything, that's usually a positive sign. Some of my other tumblers and thermoses I've used in the past, I've usually preferred glass for a few reasons. One, it does not impart a strange flavor or aroma, and you can see the beautiful color of the brewed tea. Now, Carter, you can't do that, but it does have good insulation, which I really like the function. I love the addition of the kind of spout and lip. It's far more comfortable to drink from, and this wide aromatic component. And it's not hot to touch. But this can sometimes does get hot to touch if you put boiling water in it. And also, I probably have broken a dozen of these, maybe more. And that's just something that comes with a glass. So they both have their pros and cons, though I do have to say this is not a good option for brewing tea on the go. This is for someone who wants to brew their tea ahead of time and then put it in the Carter mug and keep it hot or keep it cold. So So those are some things to consider in the long run. I don't think there's any solution that's just blown my mind yet in terms of hot beverage or brewing loose leaf tea on the go, though I do think Fellow is going in the right direction, especially with that true taste ceramic coating, which doesn't impart any kind of strange flavors even when you store the tea in there for a very long time, which I really, really like. So let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite tumbler? What is your favorite color? And if you found this video useful, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to see more videos related to loose leaf tea, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, remember, be happy, drink good tea.